So as of the 1st of January, you can no longer view YouTube on the Amazon Fire Stick. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. If you're looking for a VPN, then I recommend IPVanish. It's the one that I use. This is how much it costs. If you want to sign up to IPVanish and you want to help this channel in the process, I've got an affiliate link in the description. If you click that, I get a little bit of commission. No extra cost to yourself, and it's one way to help the channel. So if you like this content, click that subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell, and that way anytime I put a new video online you will get notified. Hi there, it's Clarence Speaks, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to get YouTube back on your Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV. So I'd like to take this time to say Happy New Year to everybody. I've had a little break and I'm back. I'll be back to putting on videos Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I'm really looking forward to an exciting 2018. And quite possibly there may be a second channel from Clarence Speaks. But that's all I'll say about that at the moment. So here we are, this is the YouTube app that you normally would have. If you press it, this is going to come up. Access YouTube and millions of other websites by using a web browser such as Firefox or Silk. So there's no YouTube app. Now it's very simple. You can either click visit youtube.com with Firefox or click visit youtube.com with Silk. There are other ways to get YouTube back on your Fire Stick, sideloading it, but will they stay around? I've already heard stories of YouTube being put back in their Fire Stick and it's been blocked. Why is this all happening? Well, Amazon and Google have fallen out, and basically Google have said it's my ball and you're not playing anymore. And that's basically what's happened. They've taken YouTube out of Amazon. The easiest way to do it is to do it through Firefox. And the beauty of Firefox is that it's on the Amazon App Store. So we go back to the home page and we go right to the very top and you highlight the little search function, and you can either use Alexa, use the voice and say Firefox, or you can just simply search for Firefox. Either way you'll get to here. So let's just put in Firefox. There we go, Firefox browser, that's what you're looking for. So highlight Firefox browser and press enter. And this is what you're looking for. You can either do it through Firefox or Silk. I prefer doing it through Firefox. It's already highlighted there. That's all you got to do. Highlight it and press enter. It's going to pop up, and it's just simple as downloading any other app. It says get, so all you do is press enter, and it's going to process and it's going to install it. Once it's installed, you'll get a little notification. Firefox is for Fire TV ready to launch, and all you do is press enter on open, and there we are. We've got Firefox, and look at that, you've got YouTube straight away. Highlight YouTube, press enter, and it is the web browser version of YouTube, but it is YouTube. I'll just say not now. It's exactly the same way as it was before. In fact, maybe even a little better. So if you're back to the home screen, and there we go, you've got Firefox, and that is all it is. You just highlight Firefox, press enter, and we're back again. So there you have it, a simple, quick and easy fix to getting YouTube back on your Fire Stick or Fire TV. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. Really do appreciate it. If you're one of my continued supporters, one of my subscribers, and you're watching this, thank you very much for your continued support. And if you think someone else will like this kind of content, feel free, share with your heart's content, let other people know. And they can subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.